So we're in San Pedro, a small town about 45 minutes away on boat, and this is cracking me out because this is their phone booth right here. He's on the phone and everything. Gotta make do out here, I guess. As you can hear, some thunder too. We just came in here on a rainstorm. Yeah, a little friend right there.
Oh.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Oh.
Is that thing that they ate? Picture on the photo. Un momento.
So we took a boat to this house here. I'm not really sure why we're here, but
Because he wanted to share.
Excursion.
I mean, we went on an excursion, but there was another reason.
We're here to support Onelia because he's trying to get the hell out of his mother-in-law's house.
And then they left with the boat. I think they're coming back now. Yep, that's them and the kids, and so we just brainstormed a bunch of names. Alexis, Adriana,
You made that up.
and myself.
Oh, no, what is it?
And we brainstormed the name for this young baby here. She's like 3 days old? 3 days?
No, she's
No,
a
no,
month.
She's a month old, but she didn't have a name.
Coquinche.
So we went through like all
Coquinche.
the
Pacaya.
women's names.
Coquinche papaya.
And we came up with Ashley Kimberly.
Ashley Kimberly.
And they agreed on that after we pretty much said every American name we could think of.
We didn't do that well.
What?
We didn't do that well, but
We got most of them.
I find it fascinating that we're sitting here, the baby's a month old, and we just named their baby.
We just named her,
And they love it.
and they love it.
They love it.
Get a
So here we are on Manati River, which connects with the Amazon River. And here we are with Ashley Kimberly, who we've just been blessed with the opportunity to name. The most sacred thing you can do, name a human being. We just got to name Ashley Kimberly.
Keep going.
And in the States, a lot of people are super paranoid with their newborns, with hand sanitizers and all these rules and everything. And here we are in the Amazon on a little boat called Peque Peque. And the baby's doing just fine, and I think she's gonna grow up to be like Asida here, who has no fear of bugs or animals or armadillos or dead things, and eats whatever, and is just
Doing just fine.
beautiful light being that she is.
High five.
High five.
There you go.
They came because they're hungry, and here we have ducks and turkeys and roosters and dogs and pigs,
Chicklets,
chicklets.
children.
They're having a powwow over here. Threesome. We had exclusive contract. The pigs are curious too.
I have no idea.
What's the kerfluffle about?
They're discussing with her how they're gonna treat us. What do we do with these people?
Like, we agreed no more gringos.
These ducks are following me around. Not entirely sure why. Kids have failed ship and decided to go swimming. Ducks are still following me.